What does Pixie want? Those are for your birthday, Pixie. No, they're for your birthday. You're not supposed to even see those presents. You want to be like Shelly on Christmas? Just one. Can I have just one? What are you looking at, Daddy? He's not going to do anything for you. No. Those are not for now. They're for your birthday. How did you spot those presents? Because Mommy didn't wrap them, right? Well, what do you have to say? What do you have to say, Pixie? Where's your toys? Are those Pixie's toys for her birthday? She's not supposed to see those. And I caught you in here barking for them. That's for your birthday in September. Pixie can be pick number 5. Are you disgusted? No, you can't have those now. They're for your birthday.